Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Wallet to tap and pay step by step. So the tutorial today is how to tap and pay using Google Wallet. First, make sure your phone supports NFC and that NFC is turned on. You can check this in your phone settings under Connections or Wireless options. Next, unlock your phone. In most cases, you don't even need to open the Google Wallet app. Just unlocking your phone is enough. Now, hold the back of your phone close to the contactless payment terminal. Keep it there for a few seconds. Wait for the payment to process. When it's successful, you'll see a confirmation on your screen, usually a blue check mark or a vibration. If prompted, enter your PIN, fingerprint, or sign the receipt to complete the transaction. You can also use Google Wallet Tap and Pay anywhere you see the Contactless or Google Pay symbol, including stores, restaurants, and public transit in supported areas. And that's it. That's how you use Google Wallet to tap and pay. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more Google Wallet and Android tutorials, and leave a comment below if you want to see another quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.